Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Let's do this back. I'm back. How you doing? Hope you're doing okay. And well, I'm just gonna show you how to do the oil life reset in this 2011 Buick Regal. Yeah, me. I'm gonna start the car. It's running right there. Okay. You're gonna see that message. It's bothering you that much? Don't worry. I'm gonna show you how to get it going. Alright, so all you're gonna do is you come right here, you see this guy, you press this, the message is gonna go away. Watch, you see there's a button right there. Okay, so all you're gonna do now is scroll down like that, like this. Okay, but nah, never mind. You're just gonna like press the menu. Okay, pick up information. It's gonna take you there. Oil life, remaining oil life for 4%. Press set clear to reset. This is set and clear. Okay, this is the button right here. Alright, so all you're gonna do is press it and hold it. Let it go. It's gonna ask you, are you sure you want to reset it? Scroll up like that. Press this guy, press it. Pow! In your face. Alright. That's all you're gonna do. Alright. Hope you like this video. If it was useful, put it in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think about this car. You like it? Kind of classy though. Let me know what you think. Put it in the comment box for me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Smash the subscribe button. Do that for me, please. Like this video, share this video. The feedback, put in the comment box for me. Shout outs to my subscribers, shout outs to my followers. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. Where would I be without you? I'm not gonna hold you up no more. I'm gonna let you go. Alright, see you in the next one. Holla at your boy. Astuo Burung Amauti.